In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Binance. Now, what you need to do first, you need to have a crypto, right? You need to have some type of cryptocurrency. You can have Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, USDT, USDC, right? So deposit it to your Binance, right? If you love to buy a crypto in Binance, just open up a Binance, right? So let's say if you have USDT and you love to buy Ethereum on your Binance, right? So the very first thing for you to do is for you to have a cryptocurrency, right? You need to have a crypto for yourself. So open up your Binance and wait for it to load up. The first place you're going to click, just click on this trade, right? You're going to see convert, spot, margin, buy and sell P2P, right? So click on that convert, just wait for it to open up. Now if you have USDT and you love to buy Ethereum, just you're going to see from, right? Click on this, type in Ethereum, right? So I think this is the basic and the best way you can do this, right? So just type in the amount of USDT you want to use to buy. You can type in $15, right? So you're going to click on preview. Once you click on preview, if you click on confirm now, right, you're going to be able to buy Ethereum with your USDT. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I hope you all found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one.